Hey, guess what, man? Here's two of our best pharmacy workers over here. Okay, who's the fastest and greatest chef?
Man in the pan.
Right here. Awesome. Big shaka, everybody. Hey, KTA pharmacist. You find it right here. Awesome. Hey, welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really super special all for you. A lot of people don't know what to do with this. It's called cube steak. Just like this, you see? Mechanically tenderized. Or if they don't have it, we have like teriyaki beef. I'm going to make chicken fried steak. Heat up some oil, or quarter cup. Okay? Again, of these sunflower oil. Then, in a bowl, add in some cornstarch. Just a little cornstarch. Okay? And you add in some flour. Okay? Mix it up. And in another bowl, you crack 2 eggs. 1, 2. Okay. Then in these 2 eggs, put in some milk. Okay? Okay, I get the cube steak. I put on some salt. I put on some pepper. And I put on some garlic powder. Remember this flour mixture? I got my flour mixture here with my cornstarch and my egg mixture over here with the egg and milk. So, as I flour this meat, okay, with some flour all over it, then I dip it into the milk egg mixture, then I put them back in the flour mixture. Okay? Just like this. It's called chicken fried steak. And I'm frying it. Oh, the burger sounds good already. So you keep on turning it right in this oil. Oh, you're gonna make them fried real crispy. Okay, it's just about done. Look at that. Put it on the plate. I'll cut them up into smaller pieces. Oh man, that thing looks good already. And I'm gonna make a sauce, a gravy to go with it. Okay, after everything is fried, what you do is you dump in some flour. Okay. Put the heat on low and you whisk it. Just like this. Okay, you know that the flour is gonna get brown, so you add in some milk. Just like that. Turn it around. And add in a little salt. And add in a little pepper. Okay, perfect. So you grab this, throw it all over your chicken fry. There you go, chicken fried steak. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. Mmm! Wow! This burger here is super awesome. So I'll see you next week on the Man in the Pan chicken fried steak. Awesome. Problem with this, hard to stop.